Welcome everyone to the Bitz UK YouTube channel. You're in the car with Moonwalk Mini at the minute in my F56 Cooper S. Today we're going to run through some of these new parts that we've got, which are the carbon style panel trim covers. We're just going to run through very quickly some of the ways that we prepare a surface before we fit these and how they clip in and how they work. Today we've got the cover that goes on the center console, we've got the window switches and the door handle covers, and down here I've already fitted the iDrive cover. So as you can see, just simply very OEM look, but obviously carbon fibre, fitting absolutely brilliantly to the existing center console. Now what I did to do this one, very cheeky, is I actually managed to squeeze that under piece and pop it off altogether, and it made it quite a lot easier to actually install it. So yeah, I actually damaged it a little bit as I was taking it out the packet, but if we don't tell Lauren, I'm sure she won't mind. So we'll get that back in there. So yeah, first we're going to start with cleaning. So yeah, I've already cleaned the surface down, but basically all you're going to want to do is take a cloth and some sort of interior cleaner. Now you don't want to use anything that's like got waxes in it or anything silicone based, because what that's going to do is actually repel the sticky 3M tape that's on the back of these. So all you're going to, literally just anything like glass cleaner is good, designed interior cleaner, things like that. So all you want to do is simply just wipe all the dust and dirt and grime off, and just anything sticky, you know. Yeah, generally prep the surface. Alcohol free wipes, they're usually quite good. Maybe just spend a few minutes doing this. The next thing we're going to want to do is simply peel off the sticky backing, which I'll do off camera, I think, because it's going to take a long time. But yeah, simply, if you really want to as well, actually, you can test fit these to make sure that they do fit your car. Now obviously these are designed for an F56, so it should fit just fine. This is the first time I've done it, but yeah, it clicks in there quite nicely. As you can see, there's no big arch gaps, there's nothing wrong. I haven't broke the plastic like I did on the one before, and yeah, it just clicks in there quite easy. So what we're going to do is try and get that back out now. There you go, it just pops out. Yeah, and we're going to peel the plastic, the sticky back off, and I'll skip to the next step. Okay, so I've got all of the sticky, the backing tape off. And that's what it looks like underneath. It's just grey, so this might be a bit difficult to do with one hand. Make sure we get it the right way up. But all you're going to want to do is simply, just like we did before, just slide it into place quite quickly, and it should just snap in. Now once it snaps in, unlike before, trying to pull it out, no, it's just pulling on the sticky stuff. So you just want to lay that on, and hopefully, because it is such a good fit and such a good quality, there is no sort of movement in it once you stick it down. So there's no problem with you sticking it down and then it slides and it's in the wrong spot, because it is fit. It fits that well that where it goes is where it should be, and that's pretty much it. So that's the center console done. I'm going to move on over to the window switches and the door handles. But basically it's the same process. So all you're doing is cleaning the surface, peel the sticky back off and click it down, and that's pretty much all there is to it. As you can see, I've already got the steering wheel caps, and they totally transform the Drunk at Work steering wheel, in my opinion. So that's why I was lucky enough to get the interior covers as well. So yeah, I think that'll do for now, but like I say, all you got to do is the exact same steps for these two items. I'll leave some photos at the end of the video. If you want to get your hands on some of these, you go to www.killallchrome.co.uk and or message at Bitz UK on Instagram, and I'm sure you'll be put in the right direction. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
go, just let it go. Your struggle was wrong.